Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nails Art. My creative friends are ready for another round of nail art magic. Please subscribe my channel quickly to get latest videos. Let's get started. First things first, apply a clear base coat to protect your nails. This will keep your nails design looking fresh and fabulous. Now choose two eye-catching colors that make your heart sing. I'm personally loving a bold pink and a shimmery silver. You can carry any color on your nails that you want. Now start by painting your nails with your favorite polish. Make sure to cover each nail with a smooth and even coat. It will look so beautiful. Once it's dry, grab a small brush or a dotting tool and dip it into another color polish that you like. You can choose any color like black, white, pink, gray, any color that you want. Now let your imagination run wild. You can go for a trendy nail art effect, cute floral patterns, or even a mesmerizing galaxy art. You can draw flowers, lines, butterflies, heart shapes, and anything that you like. The choice is yours, and I know you all rock it. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, let it dry completely. Finish off with a glossy top coat to seal in the beauty and that extra shine. And just like that, you have created a stunning nail art look in just few minutes. You can carry any color on your nails. Every color looks beautiful on nails. Shimmer, glitter, shiny nail paints looks always so beautiful on nails. You can choose any combination on nails. You can choose black, white, pink, green, silver, maroon, brown, any color that you like. You can choose black color for nail art, always looks so beautiful. White is another a beautiful color for nails. White color with any combination looks always so beautiful. White and black combination always looks perfect and beautiful. Green another shade, it looks so beautiful. Blue, black, orange, yellow always looks beautiful on nails. Remember to share your amazing results with me. Can't wait to see your nail art. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.